Okay, lots of people have asked how Resource Guru helps you understand demand versus capacity, so I thought I'd record a short walkthrough. Let's jump in. For this demo, I've created a saved view called Design Capacity. It includes all my designers and my design placeholders. This gives me a single place to see everything that's assigned to my design team, plus any unassigned work sitting on placeholders. There are two booking types that are especially useful when you're trying to understand future demand and capacity, and I'll run through them quickly. 1. Tentative bookings. These are unconfirmed bookings. Think of them like penciled-in work. They tell everyone something may land on that date, but they don't use up availability until they're confirmed. 2. Waiting list bookings. These are used when you know the work is real and you know who should do it, but that person doesn't currently have capacity. It's a signal that something needs to shift to make room. As well as these, you have placeholder resources. Placeholders have unlimited capacity and are perfect for capturing demand for a role when you don't yet know or care who will do the work. You can create confirmed or tentative bookings on placeholders. While we're here, it's worth mentioning the Actions drawer on the right-hand side. This shows all your tentative, waiting list, and placeholder bookings in one place. They all require some level of attention, and the drawer makes them really easy to find and deal with. Back in the schedule, I want to highlight the Utilization heatmap toggle at the top. Switching this on gives you a very visual sense of availability across your team. You'll also see alerts for days that need attention. And if you want to know exactly why someone looks over-allocated or underutilized, just uncollapse them to see all the underlying bookings. This makes it an ideal view for day-to-day management and quick decision-making. Now let's jump over to Reports. Here, I can choose the same saved view, Design Capacity, because saved views work consistently across sections. In the Utilization and Capacity report, you'll see a clear chart showing how busy the team is, what's billable versus non-billable, and any weeks where they're likely to be over or under capacity. Because placeholders are part of my saved view, their demand is included in the chart, but I can toggle them off if I'm not interested. And I can do exactly the same for tentative and waiting list bookings. This makes it really easy to model different scenarios and understand how the team's capacity looks depending on what happens next.